Hey guys, it's Allye with Jeff Belzers, and today we're going to be taking a look at Kia's brand new vehicle, the K4. Today we're going to be talking about interior, features, and much more, so buckle in and let's get started. You may already know this, but the K4 is going to be replacing the Kia Forte as the brand's most affordable compact sedan. At a starting price of $22,000 MSRP for the LX trim, this is a great vehicle if you're shopping on a budget. The K4 is pretty similar in size to the Forte, but takes on a whole new design with the front grille and headlights. In my opinion, it's definitely more sporty than the Forte, especially when you look at the wheels. I also love this glossy black trim that you see on the grille and front bumper. It gives that premium feel at a lower cost. Under the hood of the K4, we have a standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which gives us 147 horsepower. In the city, we'll get 30 miles per gallon, and on the highway, we'll be getting 40 miles per gallon in this K4. Later this year, Kia is going to be releasing the GT Line Turbo, which will give us a 1.6-liter, 190 horsepower engine. In the back of the K4, there's a standard option on all trim levels here that might not seem like a big deal to you, but I think it's a really big deal. It's a clearly displayed button to automatically open the trunk of the car. There's about 44 inches from front to back in the trunk of this K4, and something else to call out that's different from the Forte is that they have included a spare tire underneath this compartment, which was not the case with the Forte. Kia is going to be releasing the K4 as a hatchback, but at this time we don't have an available date yet. We're here inside the Kia K4, and on this EX trim level we have these really nice premium cloth seats. Also, what we're seeing inside the K4 is what Kia is integrating into all their new vehicles, these massive screens for the driver and for the passenger. We also have this little 4-inch fixed screen in the middle that will be just to display your climate control. But what's nice is that they also have these hard buttons here for the climate control as well. So you can easily turn up your fan and down and the temperature as well. On the K4, Kia got rid of the manual transmission, so we only have an automatic transmission available on all the Kia lineup now. And that means that in every trim level of the K4, we have a push button start. Kia made a ton of safety features standard across the Kia K4 lineup. So from LX to EX, you'll see the same 11 automated standard driving systems features, such as lane keep assist, blind zone, and adaptive cruise control. They also have 29 additional technologies available for order. Also new in the K4 is the Kia voice command system. So all you have to say is, "Hey Kia," and the car will automatically do what you want to control the climate or the audio system. Also new on the K4 are these door handles on the back doors. They are integrated into this window so you don't have anything sticking out. In the second row of the K4, we have a class-leading 38 inches of legroom for our passengers, as well as 2 USB-C ports and a little cubby for your phone or whatever you want to put in there, 2 cup holders, and we also have 2 lower anchors on the outboard seats. Thanks for joining me today as we looked at this brand new Kia K4. Make sure you stop by Jeff Belzers today, take one for a test drive, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions or just let us know what your favorite feature is on this new vehicle.